just coming to you.
But why?
Actually, I will have to go to Esimo
Esbimo, why?
to join gym.
What gym? But why?
See how I'm getting weight.
No, you are absolutely fit. You don't need to go anywhere.
No, I hear you go to gym to maintain your figure. I also go there. Please take me there.
Who said this? Wrong information. I don't need to go anywhere. I'm fit and fine.
Whatever, I must to join the unisex gym at Esimo. It is the best gym in Durgapur at all facilities.
Maybe, but I don't have any interest.
You will go with me or not?
No, I can't.
Okay, I'm go alone.
Better.
Where are you going?
What? Why are you shouting? What's wrong with you?
Go with me
Where?
to my house. My parents call me.
Is today your birthday?
No, but you have to go to my home.
But tell me why? Why are you shouting?
You had a mess, so you have to pass it up.
What?
You gave me wrong information about me, and you have to tell the truth to my father.
What information?
I got 30% marks in English. Actually, I got 80% marks, so you have to tell the truth about my father.
You show your papers to your parents. Everything will be clear.
That's the trouble. The teacher does not show the exam paper. Further, as I was absent that day when the exam paper was showed.
I can't go anywhere.
Yes, you have to go.
You go. I will not come with you. I am busy now.
Please go with me.
Speak politely and requesting me. Then I will go with you.
Okay, please go with me.
Okay, let's go.
Yes? Where are you going? To the market? Why are you asking me this question?
Actually, I need somebody to bring me some medicine.
Why? What happened?
Stomach pain, too much. I can't move in fact. So please help me.
Oh, sure. I will buy some medicine for you.
Yeah, thank you. Take the money.
No, keep it to you. I will come back, then you give me.
Okay, as you wish, but come back soon.
Okay, don't worry. Have patience. It will be cured.
Hope so. And if you don't mind, can you bring me a soda bottle too?
But why?
This might be acidity.
Okay, anything else?
No, just come back soon.
Okay, sure.
Excuse me.
Yes,
Are you local here?
yes, you may be outsider.
Yes, I am.
Are you looking for any address?
No, I am looking for a job. Just joking. Actually, I am looking for Mr. Chatterjee's house. Can you tell me where is it?
It may be there, the White House may be this.
White House. Naughty boy. I am his nephew and I know his house very well.
Then why you are joking and wasting my time?
No, I know you. By the way, let's go.
Where?
Have something to eat.
No, today I am in hurry, another day.
Hey brother,
Yes.
will you give me your hand?
What hand? Left or right?
Shut up. I need your help. You have to lift it back. It is too heavy.
No, I can't. It is not possible for me.
Please.
No, I can't.
Then who will help me?
Wait, let me call my brother. He will lift your bag. He is too strong.
Okay, then call him.
Okay. Brother,
What's wrong with you?
a single can't lift his bag. Please come with me.
I can't go. Am I a servant?
No, you are helpful. You help others. She needs you. Please, come.
I am busy now. I can't go.
Please, come with me, brother. Otherwise, she told me bluffer.
What a trouble. Okay, let's go. Where is she?
Over there.
What problem is you?
Please carry this bag for me. It is too heavy. I can't lift it.
Okay, now.
You will lift this to a toto.
Okay, where is the total?
Wait, it's coming.
Okay.